Shalom, my name is Ayelet. I was born and raised in Israel and Hebrew is my native language. In this video I will explain how to read and properly pronounce the Shema prayer in Hebrew. This prayer can be found in Deuteronomy 6 verses 4 through 5 and is the most central prayer in Judaism. Now Hebrew is read from right to left, so to read this prayer we will start from the right and make our way toward the left, word by word, line by line. We will look at each word and each syllable individually. The accents are marked with capitals, and the sound ch is indicated by the letters kh together. First, I will read the entire prayer in fluent Hebrew, then we will go over and pronounce each word slowly, syllable by syllable. We will then read the entire prayer once again, this time a bit faster. Now let's begin. Shema Israel, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודיך. Okay, now slowly. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודיך. Now a little bit faster. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודיך. If you came this far, then Mazal Tov, which means congratulations. You've just prayed the Shema in its original Hebrew language. If you would like to leave a comment, I would love to hear from you. Please click on the link below to visit my website, thewordinhebrew.com. There you can purchase this Hebrew poster and many more inspiring Hebrew gifts. Now thanks again for watching. I hope this has blessed you. And as we say in Hebrew, Toda Rabah, which means thank you very much and God bless.